In this video, I will show you how to change, reset, or recover your PayPal password without a phone number if you no longer have access to the number linked to your account. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. Start by opening your web browser and going directly to the PayPal website. Once the PayPal homepage loads, look for the login option and tap on it to open the login page. On this page, if your PayPal account details are saved in a password manager, such as Google Password Manager or iCloud Keychain, you may be able to log in using biometric authentication, like your fingerprint or Face ID. Some devices may also allow you to unlock the saved credentials using your device's lock screen password, which can help you access your account without entering the password manually. If those options are not available, and you have forgotten your password, select the Forgot Password option on the login screen. After tapping this option, PayPal will normally ask you to verify your identity by sending a code to the phone number linked to your account. However, if you no longer have access to that phone number, you will not be able to complete the verification using that method. In this situation, scroll down on the page and look for the Contact Us option located at the bottom. Tap on Contact Us to access PayPal's help and support section. From there, you can contact PayPal support and inform them that you are the owner of the account, but you no longer have access to the registered phone number. You can choose the Call Us option to speak directly with the PayPal Help Center and complete the verification process using other identification methods. Once PayPal verifies your identity, they can help you reset your password and regain access to your account, even without the phone number connected to it. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.